Hi everyone, see in this problem here how to find voltage Vx in the given circuit. So here this is the 15 volt source and 1 ohm resistor and 2 ohm resistor and dependent voltage source is 2 Vx and 5 ohm resistor. So across 5 ohm resistor the voltage drop is Vx. Now how can you find the Vx value? In the given circuit the current will move like this, so from minus to plus direction. So let's consider that is the current I. Now apply KVL, then we get, so here it becomes minus 15 plus 1I plus 5I plus 2I and plus 2 Vx, that's equal to 0. But what is Vx? So this is a voltage drop across 5 ohms. By applying Ohm's law, we will get Vx equal to the current is I, 5I. Now substitute Vx with 5I, then we get minus 15 plus, and it becomes 8I plus 2 into Vx means 5I. That's equal to 0. By simplifying this, we get I equal to 5 by 6. But here we want voltage Vx. Now substitute this value in this equation, then we get 5 into 5 by 6. By simplifying this, we will get 4.167 volts, and this is the Vx value. So from the options, option B is the correct option, and this is the process of simplification. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.